Introducing the Miraba by Mira Industries. Looking to create super soft, high bulk yarns for luxurious carpets, bath mats and rugs? Look no further than the Miraba, a continuous bulking and heat setting machine. Mira is a world leader in bulking and heat setting technology, with over 15 years of experience and a presence in India and abroad. We offer an economical alternative to European brands, delivering top quality results at the lowest cost per kilogram. In fact, Mira holds over 90% of the bulking and heat setting market share in India, with satisfied customers in Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, and many more countries. So, how does the Miraba create these amazing yarns? The process starts with dope-dyed textured yarn assembled on our AU 250 assembly winder. It's then cabled on the CT 240 cabling and twisting machine. Finally, the Miraba steps in to add the magic touch, the bulk. Here's a closer look at the Miraba's key zones. Supply creel. This zone ensures smooth yarn flow with features like easy threading, tension control, yarn breakage detection, and anti-static design. It comes in 4 or 6 channel configurations. Pre-steamer and climate chamber achieve perfect heat setting between 110 degrees Celsius and 200 degrees Celsius with uniform steam perfusion thanks to special perforations. This zone also boasts the lowest energy and steam consumption in the industry. Normalization and splitting zone. This zone cools and normalizes the yarn before splitting it for optimal results. Take-up winder. This final zone builds the final yarn package, ready for tufting carpets, with capacities up to 4 kilograms. The yarn speed reaches up to 400 meters per minute, ensuring accurate bobbin build-up and smooth winding. Ready to transform your yarn production and create luxurious carpets and bath mats. Contact Mira Industries today. Email us at sales@mirand.com for a detailed brochure and to discuss how the Miraba can elevate your business.